Hi guys, this is a package from eBay that's just arrived this morning. I'm going to unbox it and see what I bought. Kind of lazy, tired bidding in the middle of the night, because this is the result. So this is a bit of a kind of Russian roulette really. Let's see what's in here. Wow, got a load of shredded paper. Don't remember buying that. Okay. Right then, tri-circle, just what I always wanted. That's a 265, and its larger brother 266. Interesting bitting on there. Oh, what a surprise, that's another 265. These have been obviously somewhere quite dusty for a while. Yeah, it's heavy, this one. That's because it's much other people's dust. Okay, it's a Viro, kind of shutter type lock. Not sure if that's working. Oh yes, it does. Sort of not spring loaded. Okay, chunky thing, and another one of those. I think same. Some reason has a nail welded to it. Fair enough. I'll get rid of some of this packaging. Goodness, these have obviously been stored for some time. Okay, it's a Squire kind of laminated padlock. It's just a 4-pinner. Squires have been fairly tricky in my experience. I think that's just another one of the same sort. Okay, it's just try not to make too much of a mess. A lucky dip, this. Some more chunky things. Okay, it's an Abbas 6550. Lots of spools in there, as I understand it. And another Abbas, that's the smaller brother to that 6540. There's a tiny little thing here, which is, I don't know what that is, W security. Tiny little thing, it's only a 25mm, I think. Can't be. Okay, that's an Abbas 7515. That is the smallest padlock I've ever seen. I'd feel bad about picking that. I think that's it. I'll have another rummage around in there in a bit. Now, the question is, do I attempt one of these out of the box? I saw Nev do this morning to great success, so I've got to really, haven't I? The question of which one. I think I might go for the Squire. It's a bit stiff, that one. Let's try this one. It's a bit more popped open, so let's give that a try. I may regret this. Covered in bits of fluff. There, cobwebs and all sorts. This is not going to end well, I can tell already. Confidence is low. There, I can't even feel the pins. Yeah, that's going to need some work before I can open that. Let's have a go with the Abbas then. It's a bit more. Looks like it's a bit cleaner. in there. Right, that didn't end well, so I'll just finish off by making an offer. Actually, these three, I've got the duplicates basically, so if you fancy having a go at any of these, just hit me up on the forum, I'll send them over. This one was particularly challenging. I just had a look at the key, and it's a 7-pin lock. I've never seen one of those before. This is just a 4-pin Squire 39, and this one is the Tri-Circle 265. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon.